It's time for another gardening update.
My adorable owl sitting in my succulent spider plant, and there go those tall trees. Y'all know it's too much going on in that pot. Succulent spider plant and trees, palm tree looking babies. Yeah, but I love my owl. Okay, I am gonna get back in there and look for my pen so I can do what I'm supposed to be doing. Yes, I'm taking forever. Shoot. My little things that slow me down, they flare up and I got to take my time. I already sprained my dang left elbow on my crafting. So I have lots I want to do on the balcony, and I am going to be excited when I do get myself back out there. But I do adore my little owl. So cute, so cute, cute, cute. Look like having a time of its beautiful decorative life, sitting amongst all my beautiful plants, loving it. I'm just staring at it. Well, hope you guys are having a fabulous gardening time, enjoying working in your garden, producing your garden plants, making things beautiful, celebrating your garden, fashion, putting some fashion in your garden. Yeah, with beautiful decor, homemade decor. Some of you guys really get down with making your own decorations to put in your garden. You are repurposing water bottles, planters and stuff like that, and other materials. It's a beautiful thing, y'all. All right, I'm out. I'm going to say thanks for stopping by. Bye for now. Happy gardening. Okay, garden people, it is Miss Janita back in with a gardening video, sharing update about me planting some new seeds. Well, today I don't have my glasses on, and I don't understand why I keep doing that, knowing I can't see. Well, this first pot, I got something in here called Canary Creeper. This pot here, Canary Creeper. Just put them in there. Y'all know today the first. And then on the other one, I got some green onions, and I got some cornflowers in that one. And on this one, it is some passiflora. Some of y'all might know what passiflora is. If you don't, go look it up. It's supposed to be a beautiful flower. But anyway, I finally got around to planting some, three flowers, seeds, and one green onion. I still got to do my herbs, and I want to plant the Cosmo and the dang, I forget how to pronounce it. I know how to, but right now I don't know what be going on when I try to do these things. So my plans was to do this, plant these flower seeds. So success at carrying out my plan, I could just say that. Yes, I have plenty of disasters when I plant something and it don't grow. Yeah, and that's Miss Rosemary. Y'all know Miss Rosemary, y'all know Miss Sage. I got something out there growing. It's a volunteer. I don't know, it could have been a seed from something that dropped in the dirt. But anyway, this is what I'm sharing with y'all today. I think I'll add this to another video I had previously made, so I'll see y'all in a second. What else am I supposed to be doing? Oh, catch my live. Okay, welcome any new subscribers. And I want to say, Susie, if you watched this video, I did on last Saturday. I was the second, maybe the second person, I believe, Saturday morning when you put your video up, and I left a comment. I don't know what happened to my comment, but it was removed, and I came back again. I don't know if you see the new comment I left, but you was the first one I did on Saturday, last Saturday, and Patricia, you know Patricia, she was the second one I did on Saturday morning. So I don't know what happened to my comment on your page, Susie, but today is a new Saturday. If you got a new video up, I'm gonna comment again. I don't know if they removing my comments or if you need to click on the newest comments. Where do you find the newest comments? It's right there on your page next to that big word that says comments, and there's some words next to it that say sort by. You click on that and you're gonna see top comments and newest comments. Click on the newest comments to see if you see any of my comments. Other than that, I don't know what's going on, but hopefully the glitches go away or whatever's going on. And I always comment on your videos, so if they're missing, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but happy gardening, everybody. But have a great gardening day, and talk to you guys later. And hopefully these seeds grow and produce some beautiful flowers. Next gonna be my herbs, and I'm about to set these outside. Okay, y'all, happy gardening. Oh, don't forget to check out the participants in this collaboration in the beginning of the video. Go and support them and subscribe. Why don't you? You're a gardening lover. Go and subscribe to these channels. Thank you very much. Awesome. Bye.
I'll see you on the next one.